What's up?
My thighs.
Your thighs what?
They're so tingly. Oh man. Oh, okay.
Alright, let's do this.
Dude, see?
Oh, you
See?
good? You
See
good?
that? There's no control.
Alright, so Amina's gonna grab these 2 kettlebells, go into a squat position. Her legs are pointed outward so she can work her inner thigh. It's a great booty exercise, right?
Yeah, so great.
And then she's gonna rep out some jump squats. Go into that squat position. There we go. Shoulder blades back and...
Yo, my legs feel like Bambi. Oh man.
There you go. Good. Right there, shoulder blades back. There we go. And you're gonna wanna pulse it for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 seconds. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop it. Very nice.
Oh man.